You've been off all morning.
I'm fine.
No, this feels deeper than fine.
Maya,
Did something happen with Aaliyah?
Maya thinks something happened with you and Darius.
Of course she does.
So nothing happened?
Ethan, couples can have one weird night without it becoming mythology.
I'm stealing that sentence.
He's acting strange. Darius always acts strange when he's overthinking. So there is something. See? That's what you do. What? You turn a mood into a storyline. I wasn't trying to start something.
but you did.
I care about you.
Yeah, but you make small things feel huge sometimes. I'm gonna go ahead and take off.
Oh,